Just got out of bed? You on the way to work? How about the gym? Let's get you going with the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute Motivator, the weekend edition, because not everybody works Monday to Friday.
Good morning, afternoon or evening. It's another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute Motivation. I'm bringing you just 1 minute now, but you can get yourself another 30 minutes for free, 1-to-1. Come over to ldlcall.com, book your slot, or you can send me a text message on 07801 543 515 and let's have a chat. Today's quote: "The past is in your head, the future is in your hand." Now, what's happened is over. Nothing's going to change that. And all those negative memories that you're sitting on, it's all in your head. But the future, well, that's sitting right in front of you, ready for you to take control and make something big for yourself.
That was your 1 Minute Motivator. You can find more motivation and inspiration at LearnDevelopLive.com. And we'll see you back tomorrow for more.